Hello. Hello.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. So we shall start now.
Yes, sure.
So I think the yesterday's case study, I've already saved it in the session. We'll just continue with that, okay? And we'll try
Sure,
to finish it off that.
yes, sure.
So guys, this was the case study we were looking into yesterday. That is nothing but we have what is that title? The title of the case study: read and write data from Azure SQL database. Wherein can you see? So source data store is what? Source data store is what is that? You have it? Yes, guys. Azure SQL database and server. I'm using the server as Durga. There is a soft server 89, and database is what? Durga soft database, and table is what? DB. That is DBO dot employee. So what do you mean DBO, guys? DBO is the default schema provided in SQL. Okay, so make sure everyone. So the default schema is nothing but what? Structure. Schema is nothing but what? Structure. The default structure, guys, the default structure is provided here. Okay, the default structure is provided. Okay, that is called as a DBO and dot employees. Again, what is it? You have it. Guys, what is it? You have it. Source data store. Can you see it? The source data, that is sync data store, not this one. Okay, this is my sync. Sync is what? Can you see it? Sync data store is what, guys? Azure SQL database. And now on the same server I wanted to create, and the same database I want to create, but change the table. So what is the table name I want? dbo.stg underscore employees. That means today I am creating the source and target. Everyone, today I am creating the source and target within the same. Am I right, everyone? Within single database, we can also create another database. It doesn't matter. Okay, but we will see that also. But now, guys, what in the same database I'm creating the source and the target. So guys, just go ahead here. So now my workspace is already ready. I have already prepared the workspace, guys. So now I'll launch the workspace meanwhile. Yeah, everyone is okay with this case study or not? Please. I want an answer, ma. Yes. Yeah, what happened? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, Samir.
Yes, sir.
It's clear.
Okay. So what is it you have to do? So here I'm just using it. Okay. So now, guys, just now it's ready. Now, meanwhile, I'll create the cluster because the cluster will also take some time to create it. So I'm just creating the cluster here. Click on the create compute. Okay, and then I am using it here. Can you see? I'm using UI. So change it. Now you can provide your own cluster name, guys. So cluster name, I wanted to give it as what? Just put the control here. Durga Soft cluster. That's it, guys. And now, guys, everything is default. I'm just click on the create. Now, guys, let us check here. It's creating. So meanwhile, what we will do is, guys, okay, let it create. So all of you, okay, what we're doing today case study, what I'm doing, reading and writing the data from the Azure SQL database. Can you see here? To Azure SQL database. Can you see here? Reading and writing data from the Azure SQL database to what is that? Azure SQL database. This is the title of the case study, everyone. And specifications is, I'm repeating once again, source is Azure SQL database, and database I have it as a Durga Soft, guys. Database I have at Durgasoft, and table is what? Table I am having is dbo.employees. Now in the sync system is also Azure SQL database, and as I am on the same server and I'm using the same database here, no change. Now only what's the table name? Table I have it at dbo.stg_employees. In the same database, I'm creating both. What is it? Input and output. That means sync and the target and the sync. That's it. Okay. Yes, guys, all of you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, everyone is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now guys, so let it create this one. Okay, so let it cluster, let it create the cluster, guys. What I will do now is, once it is done, guys, I've already started this one. We will create a secret now. Can you see it? I'll create the, can you see it? A secret. So what is the secret? Okay, so let's create a secret. So now guys, let's create a secret here. Now you can see here, guys. Can you see here, guys? Database, all of you just concentrate here, guys. Database server, what is that? SQL server, whatever you are creating it right now. SQL server, authentication, guys. Okay, authentication. Now guys, the authentication, I want, what is that? Username. So I have a username. The authentication is what? Username. So I want to use the username as what? Durga admin. And guys, the password, my password, I'm using it here. Can you see here? PWD. And password, I'm giving it as what? Can you see here? Samir 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, guys, or 1 2 3 4. Samir 1 2 3 4 is my password. So for this, can you see here? Now I want to create a secret, two secrets, one for the username and one for the password. Now I wanted to create a username and password. Guys, all of you just concentrate, ma. Everyone, you should respond it, guys. Okay. So what is? I want to create a secret. That is nothing but, how do you create a secret? We can create a secret by using the key vault. And now in the key vault, guys, everyone, in the key vault, I want to create two secrets. One secret is for the username and one secret for the password. Generally, we don't create it for username, but still this time I'm creating it because some of the clients, even now, they are demanding to store a secret for username also. Clear, all of you now?
Yes, sir.
So now guys, let us create a secret. So for that, now guys, just go here. Just go here. Now guys, meanwhile, see, the cluster is prepared, it's ready. So let it be as it is. Now guys, go here. Workspace, everything is ready. Okay. Now I will create a new tab, and now I'll create the secret. So open this Azure tab. Guys, how to create the secret? Open the Azure tab. Guys, open the Azure tab. And now select the key vault. Select the key vault. Guys, select the key vault now. And once you selected the key vault, click on the create. Everyone, click on the create. Click on the create, guys. Everyone, click on the create. And now once you click on the create, you have to give the key vault name. So I'm using the same, select the resource group. I'm creating for ADB RG. Okay, as the group. Now come down. And now guys, key vault. What is the key vault? Key vault name you have to give it. Okay, so the name I want to give it as what? Durga soft. Durga soft. I want to use it as what? Can you see here, guys? Durga soft AKV 99. AKV is, let us see, AKV is there. AKV is also not there. Durga soft 12. Can you see it? I'm using Durga soft 12 as the name for this my key vault. And now guys, all of you just have a look. And now click on the create. Again, click on the create. Everyone is following or not? Please come out, ma, tell me.
Yes, sir.
So it's creating the key vault. Just click on the create. Now it will deploy it. So once the deployment is done, guys, just a minute. Now it's ready, everyone. So just click on the go to resource, guys. Everyone go to resource, and now click from the left blade. From the left blade, click on secrets. Now tell me, how many secrets do we need to create it here? Tell me now, guys, please. How many secrets? How many secrets I want to create? 2 secrets I told you, na? One for
Two
the
secrets.
username and one for the password. Am I right?
Yes, Samir.
So now just go here and now let us click on the generate and import. Okay. So click on this and now I want to create the first secret. First secret I want to create it for what? Huh?
User ID.
User ID. So now guys use the SQL user. Name as a SQL user and password. So what is my what is the username? SQL user is the key name I'm using. What's the username actually? Durga admin is the username. Am I right? Durga DURGA ADMIN. Durga admin. That's it, guys. Click on the create. Finished, everyone. First user is created. Next one. Click on the secret. Click on the second secret. Can you see it? One secret name. I'm just using it here. Okay. Instead of this, I'm using a key name. That is secret key name is what? SQL user. Okay, guys. One secret name. Second secret is what? I want PWD or less SQL PWD. This is another one. So now tell me what's the password. You have it. Yes, what's the password? So I want to use a password capital SAMEER 1234. Am I right, guys? Click on create. SQL PWD. Write it here. SQL PWD. Why, right, everyone? Yes, all of you.
Yes, Samir.
Next, after this, next, that's it, ready here. So what about rest of you guys? You don't want to respond? Yes, we have another 7 people are there, 6 people is there, 7 people except to me. So rest of you, only one is responding. What about rest of you guys? I want everyone to respond it. Okay, so now guys, next, that's it now. Can you see it? Now once more, just go to this keyword. Now guys, I want to create, can you see it? I want to create one more secret here or one more secret, that is nothing but connection string. So click on the new, and now I want SQL. Okay, SQL connection string. So what is a okay, what is it? JDBC, SQL JDBC. Okay. Okay, guys, SQL JDBC driver. SQL JDBC driver. We have to just check it. Can you see here? How to get that driver of the, how to get the URL of the SQL JDBC driver? Tell me now, guys. How to get the URL of a JDBC driver? For that, yes, guys. So for this, Now guys, I think here you have already created, just a minute. The cluster is ready. The notebook, just a minute, all of you. I'm creating a notebook now. So notebook is what? Azure SQL database to Azure SQL database copy. I'm just creating this notebook, leave it as it is. Now guys, tell me, do you have any kind of a database now? Have you created any database here, guys? Have you created any database? No.
No.
There is no database. There is no database. So first, let us create the database also first. That's also important now. So we'll create it. So click on this. If you create the database, then only you can get the JDB. So normal go to the portal.azure.com and create it. This I'm using it in the ADB. That's it. Instead of ADF, I'm using the ADB, guys. That's the only thing I'm doing it. Logic. Okay. So just click on the create. Everyone click on the create. Click on the create. And now, guys, click on the create. And now, what is that we have it? Just select it here. ADB RG. And now, guys, give the name. So what is the name I want to give it? So use the name here, database name. So use the database name as, what is the database name you want to use it? Source, or I can use a combo DB. Combo DB, that means combo database. Click on the server. So I want to create a server here. So I want to use DurgaSoft. DurgaSoft server 89. See, it's available. From the use authentication method, select the use SQL and now give the username here. What is the username? The same usernames, whatever you have given it, use that. But I have written in capital letters, but don't write it in capital. Write it in normal one, because if you write it capital, it will, the key we have to change it again. So use what's it? Durga ADMIN admin. And password, I'm using the same password. Samir, capital S, 1 2 3 4. Samir, capital S, 1 2 3 4. That's it. Click on OK. Now, guys, here I want, I have only one table now. I don't have multiple tables. So now, guys, this much price I need not bear it. So I'm just reducing the price for that. Go to this compute plus storage. Click on the configure database. Everyone is following or not? Please let me know. And now,
Yes, sir.
so for this, again, go to general purpose and select the DTU based purchase model. Select the basic for less demanding workspace. So this is giving you maximum of 2 GB space storage. It will not give you, but you can also reduce it. You'll have one table now, so I will reduce it more. What is the problem? I will reduce it more. I will reduce it to, guys, 100 is enough. 0.1 GB means 100 MB na, so that is enough for me. So click on OK. That's it, guys. Click on the networking tab. And now from the networking tab, click on the public endpoint and allow the firewall settings. So you're allowing Azure services and resources to access the server, and then add current IP address. Yes, my system has an IP address. This IP address you want to register for this particular database to access this database server. Click on the review and click on the create. That's it, ma.
Samir, this cost you have to pay 352 per month.
If I retain that for whole month.
Okay, okay. And if you
If I
delete
delete it, it will charge me 10, 15, 20 rupees like that.
okay, okay.
For a whole month, if I remain that, I retain that, I have to pay 352 rupees plus GST.
For the practice purpose, what we will do?
I will delete immediately after the class.
No, what we will do? So for the
You
practice
also delete it.
Okay, we have to give the charge also.
No. If for a free subscription is there, it will consume your credits. It will give you 15,000 credits with every subscription. Na?
Okay, yeah.
So after that, then you have to pay. If you go for the pay as you go model.
Okay.
So anyways, it's deploying off. Just refresh it. Click on refresh to make the process a bit faster, guys. Now, guys, can you see here the server? Can you see here? Here you have a DurgaSoft server 89 as a server, and under this I'm created the database with a name called what? ComboDB. Okay. So now, guys, can you see here? This is my thing. So just edit it. Click on the editor. Now see, this is my username Durga admin, and what is the password? Capital SAMEER 1234. Now got it, everyone? Yeah, everyone. So guys,
Yes,
this is the thing you have.
Yes,
So
sir.
now we were looking into the secret. So already, guys, already we have created the secrets. How many secrets you have created? 2 secrets. This is as per this only I have created it. SQL user and password. Okay. SQL user, this will hold what is that? Durga admin. And this is holding what? Samir SAMER capital S AMER 1234. Am I right, guys? Now I will create one more secret here. The secret name is what is it? SQL JDBC. JDBC. And secret value. How to get the secret value? Go to your database, what you have created it. Go to here and now click on the overview. It will let you discard, no problem. Discard this editor window. Now, guys, from here, go to the from the left to blade, select the connection string. Click on connection. Click on connection. Click on connection string, guys. Click on connection strings. And now select JDBC. JDB. Then here, from the left to blade, click on the connection string tab, and now
is JDBC for that Java application
yes, of course,
and ODBC for Python?
exactly. Okay, so I'm using the JDBC. Now I wanted to connect to the SQL database, so I'm using the ADO.NET. Also, you can use it. Okay. Okay. So now, guys, let's go. Just click on this JDBC. In JDBC, that means in Databricks, I'm using JDBC. In ADF, we can use ADO.NET. Okay, I'm using the JDBC here for the this thing. So anyways, just a minute. Give me a minute. Now select the JDBC. JDBC SQL Server. Can see Durgasoft 89 dot database dot windows dot net up to you need to get the URL. This URL. You have to copy this URL up to this one. Okay. Before copy this. Copy this. If you want, you can also connect, I think, up to database before the user. Okay, database name is also there. So let's select it till here. Till here. Before the semicolon, copy this. Okay. Copy the semicolon also, guys. Before user, whatever the content is there, copy this. Control C. Go to Azure keyword, paste it. Okay, guys, that's it. Click on create. That's it, guys.
Yeah. Hello, Samir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Here I have one small doubt. Instead of giving this thing, in a way, connection string contains username and password, even that is not visible to others. So is there any way? So difference between creating separately, nothing but you
Just
are
to show you elaboratedly, nothing else.
Okay.
Okay, we can do that way also. Okay, now this is the thing. We have 3 secrets. Okay, one is JDBC URL is one secret, and next one, what is it? You have it now. SQL PWD, that is a password, and the SQL user. How to access the secret in Databricks? How to access the by creating the scope here. So how to get the scope, guys? You know already. So just copy this till .NET. If you want to create a scope, open a new URL, paste it here, hash secrets. What is that? / create. This is called a okay. Then we have scope. Scope is capital. Use it to access the secrets in Azure database. We have to create a scope. So now, guys, I'm creating the scope. So Durga Soft AKV. This is the name I want to use it. So for my scope, so guys, the scope name I'm just giving it here. One more secret. SQL, JDBC. Next one, scope. Guys, that is the scope name. Now go back, select it here. Now DNS. What is a DNS? Keyword details, because keyword contains secrets. Yeah. Go to the Azure keyword. From the left blade, click on the properties. Now copy. Vault URA will become your DNS name. This will become your DNS name. And now guys, next one, resource ID. Again, go to the Azure keyword and go to the copy the resource ID, paste it here. And now click on the create. Now the scope is creating, verifying it, and it will create. Guys, created. That's it now. Scope is ready. Now go ahead as it is with the process. Can we start the notebook now, guys? Tell me now. So I've already created a notebook. All of you, I've already created a notebook, guys. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes.
So now, so just go to this URL, how to connect. Simple, right? Simple words. How to connect. How to connect SQL Server from Databricks. Type it here. Okay, guys. You'll get the documentation. Scroll down. Select it. What is that? You have it. Azure Databricks. Open this. Learn.microsoft. Just open this. Now, guys, this is for Python. Query database using Python and Spark SQL. You'll have it. Scroll down. So I think Python, JDBC using Python. Just a minute. I'm searching out for the code snippet. Python under this saving data tables into JDBC. Okay, so I think the code is not here. Okay, no problem. Leave it. Now, guys, just come back to your this thing. So write JDBC. Write JDBC. JDBC. U is capital. RL is equal to. Use what's that? DB utils. Dot secrets. That's it. Now, guys, write down connection string or connection properties. You can write it. Connection properties is equal to, under the curly brace you have to write it. What's that? Write it down now. User is equal to, then use under the curly brace, sorry, under the quotes, password is equal to, use a comma after everything. Then, guys, write one more driver. Instead of is equal to, you can write the Google. That's it. Now, that's it. So JDBC URL is equal to dbutils dot get secrets. Get what is that? Scope, comma, scope and key. Key. Is equal to. What is the scope name, guys? Go and check the scope name. The scope name is what? Durgasoft AKV. Copy this. Now, what's the key name, guys? Tell me now. Key name and secret. Okay. Key name is nothing but secret, guys. Key name for the secret for the JDBC. I'm writing JDBC now. So you have to use the secret JDBC. Copy. That's it. Now, connection string properties. Copy this. Copy this. And the user also you have to just paste it here. And the password also you have to paste it here. Now just change it. What's the key name? Username. What is the key name you have for the username, guys? What is the username for the secret for the username? Go
That is
here.
good. The SQL user.
Yes, use a SQL user. And what is it for password? Am I right, everyone?
Yeah.
No, fine. Okay. That's it, guys. Then afterwards, after this is done, you have to write the driver. So what is a driver? Driver basically you will have this one. Com dot Microsoft dot SQL server dot JDBC dot SQL server S capital driver D capital. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it done. Now run it. If any error comes, we'll troubleshoot. No issues. I'm running this. Allow it. Syntactical error. In the line 4, it says syntactical error. DB utils. Can you see here? DB utils. Secrets dot get
I
scope.
think after password we have to give colon.
The colon should be here. Okay, now see here, guys. Now successfully created. Okay, it's completed, guys. Completed. That means connection successful. I'm reading the data from database here. Okay, first data from Azure SQL database. There is a command called spark dot read dot JDBC is equal to okay. So use what's it? URL is equal to one argument JDBC. Okay, guys. URL JDBC URL comma table. Can you see here? Table is equal to table name is equal to push down queries. This all code snippet, you can find it there. Where it's taking some time, I'm just directly typing it as I know it. Okay, comma properties is equal to connection properties. Connection P capital. That's it, guys. Now, table name. What is table name? push query instead of this one. Now write the table name. Now tell me dbo dot I can write a table name. Now guys, just go to the database. See here, do you have created here? Have you created any table here? Just go and check.
I
Go to the
think
query editor.
not yet created.
Not yet, no?
Yes.
Now create the table. Simple table. I'm using it here. Just open this. I'll take some tables from here. I have some pre-written script is there, and just copy that script. That's better, right? Rather than writing it manually. Copy this. It's running. It says affected 2 rows. You want to check this, guys? Select to start from employees. See here, the rows are displayed here. Okay. Now, guys, same table name, na employees. So just write it down. Go here. That's it, guys. Employees. Okay, everyone. Now use it as dbo dot under the quotes. You can write it here. Run this now. Now got it, guys, everyone? Yeah, fine.
Yes.
Yeah, you got it. So count how many records. Generally, what is it we use it? Count. How to count it? Count records. Now guys, just a minute. Why it's coming like this? Because I have not used the, for reading I have not used a df. Now run this once more. Data frame. Okay. Now write down df dot data frame dot count. Run this. See how many records we have it. 10 records. Am I right, guys? Everyone? 10 records. The count is matching now. The count is matching from the data frame now. Now print. You want to use a print. Print the schema. schema of the data frame. df dot print schema. Run this. 4 column data types. Okay. Reading data is completed now. Okay. Now let's use even display here. Display data from data frame. Display dot func, that is a df. Now guys, next one is what? This is nothing reading. Now guys, once reading is done, everything is fine now. Now I want to write it. So I'm writing the data. Writing the data from data frame to Azure SQL database. Okay. Yes, everyone is following or not?
Yes, Samir.
Yes.
So how to write it? Tell me now. df dot write dot
JDBC.
mode. Write dot mode. Okay. So overwrite. You have two methods: overwrite and append. I'm using overwrite. Overwrite. Instead of overwrite, you can also use the append, guys. Append means what? If already one table is there, the data will be added from the below of that table. Getting my point? So I'm using overwrite. Overwrite means already if it is there, remove it and replace it. That's it. Dot JDBC of JDBC URL comma. I want a table here. The table I want to give it here as okay. Tell me now. What is it I want? Tell me. What's the table? T dot or stg underscore employees. Okay. Use that table word also. No, that's better now. Then afterwards, comma. So write it down. dbo dot stg underscore employees. Okay, guys, that's it. Now write it down finally. Connection properties. Connection properties P capital. So connection properties should be given under the properties. Is equal to, okay. Properties is equal to connection properties. That's it, guys. Write it up, run it. See if you have any error, we'll debug it, no problem. So
Yes,
now,
Samir,
guys, it's done. Done now, okay? Fine, everyone. Completed now, not? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Is the table created or not in this? Just go here. Finish here. Table is created. dbo dot stg underscore employees. Now copy this. Sorry, and run this from stg underscore employees. Got it, guys? Everyone? Huh?
Yes.
Yes, guys. I want an answer.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, Samir.
That's it.
So the second one, so newly added file, this table also we have created in the same database.
Same database with a different table name.
Different table name. Yes, yes, yes.
That's it. That's it, guys. So this is how we write the this is how we write and read the data. Okay, guys. That's it, guys.
Yes, Samir, can you
How
share?
can we insert the data into the employee table? New records.
Huh?
How to insert the new records by using JDBC?
Use the SQL command for that again. If you want to use this one, new records. So you want to insert some new rows, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. Just a minute. Okay, one more thing, one more interesting. I'll show you. Take one more notebook. And now, guys, I will give you a SQL server. SQL server. And now connection string. Connection string. This is the name I want to give it. That's it. Click on the create. And now, guys, once this particular one more notebook is created, what I will do here is just a minute. In this, what I will do is in recents, go to the previous notebook, and from here just copy this string, guys. This is a string, and now use it here. Recents, use it here, paste it. Now run this once. Now I'll create one more notebook. Okay, this is the notebook. You see here, I'm creating one more notebook. Now I'm creating read, write SQL database. That's it. Okay, I'm creating the third notebook now. In the third notebook, guys, in the third notebook, what I've created, what I will do is I will put it here, the reading, that is nothing, but can see here, only reading I'll use it. Reading, use this one. Read dot, spark dot, this one, you use it. Go to the recents. Go to this recents. Use this. In this, just give the reading. Writing also will write it in this one only. Okay. That is df dot write dot jdbc, whatever you have it. Okay, this is read now. I will use this one also. Everyone. And now paste it in the same notebook. Read. Now guys, take a new cell and paste it here. Now execute this. Can you share missing JDBC URL? You're getting what's it? Missing JDBC URL. Can I run one notebook from another notebook, guys? Can we run one notebook from another notebook?
Yes.
Now I'm using this one. See how it works out. Okay. We'll run this. Okay. %run. I'm using %run. /user. %run user dot /SQL capital server S capital, write it down, underscore connection C capital string S capital. Run this now. Yes, what does it says? So this is also, it's not working. Just a minute.
After run, there is some space is there. We need to eliminate that space.
Yes, guys.
After run, %run, yes, space is there.
Yeah. That must not be the issue. %run. Don't use a dbutils, guys. Instead of dbutils, if you use dbutils, it will be run compiled, but I don't want to use that. Okay, I'm just now, guys, instead of this, what I will do is, okay, I'll copy the path manually. That's better. Go to the workspace. Here you have it now. Which one? Can you see here? Connection string. Copy file path. Come back. Paste the file path. Now I have given this. Okay. Let us run this, guys, first. Now, guys, compiled. Now run this. Got it now? Guys, okay now? Fine, everyone?
Yes.
This is how we can run the another notebook from this notebook. Okay. That's it, guys, for the day. Okay. We'll just make it off tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. And okay, guys.
Yes, Sami, can you please share with me the code here so that I will save this code.
Okay, no problem. I'll copy this. I'll put it in the this thing, and I'll put it in the WhatsApp. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.